Did you know that yawning is contagious? Just seeing someone yawn can make you yawn too. Yawning can happen for many reasons, including tiredness, boredom, and even seeing someone else yawn. On average, humans yawn about 20 times a day, but this can vary widely from person to person. Interestingly, yawning is not just a human behavior. Many animals yawn too, including dogs, cats, and even fish. Yawning helps to cool down the brain and increase alertness, making it a natural way to wake up. Some researchers believe that yawning may have evolved as a way to communicate tiredness or stress to others. The longest yawn on record lasted for 23 minutes. Can you imagine that? So next time you yawn, remember, it's not just a sign of sleepiness, it's a fascinating part of being human.